Hi guys, so today you have an assignment in Google Classroom about synonyms and antonyms. We talked about this yesterday during morning meeting and we've learned about this in school as well. So the way I like to remember it is synonym, same. They both start with S. A synonym is a word that means the same thing or something similar. So that means close to the same. An antonym is a word that means the opposite. Right? So the opposite of big, or the antonym of big, is little. A synonym for big, a word that means the same as big, would be huge or large or gigantic. Those are synonyms for big. So your job today is going to be to go on a little hunt around your house and to find items and collect words that are synonyms and antonyms. So I did that in my house and I want to show you what I found. The first thing you'll need is some little scraps of paper. So I took a piece of paper and I ripped it up into small pieces. And then you'll need something to collect your scraps in. So I just have an empty container. You could have a basket or a bowl or a bag or anything at all that you can put your papers in. You're going to be a word collector today. That's your job. Okay. Now, I found 2 synonyms and 2 antonyms really quick in my house. First, I want to show you antonyms. Remember, antonyms are opposite. So I poured myself a cup of water. So this cup is full of water. And then I looked at all the cups in my cabinet that are empty, and I said, hey, full and empty. Those are antonyms. So I'm going to grab my marker and my paper and I am going to write down my antonyms. Full, empty, and I am going to put an A for antonym. They're not synonyms, they're antonyms. They mean the opposite. So full and empty are antonyms. And then I can fold my little piece of paper up and place it right in my bucket to collect. So then I was looking for more and I saw our flashlight. And I said, hey, that flashlight is off. Now it's on. What are those? They are antonyms, off and on. They are opposites. So I am going to write those 2 words on my paper, off, on, and an A because they are antonyms, not synonyms. A for antonym. Okay. I also found some synonyms. Synonyms are a little more challenging because you might not find 2 things that are synonyms, but I was looking at Baby Echo and I thought, Baby Echo is so cute. And then into my brain popped, I know another way to say cute. He's also adorable. Cute and adorable are synonyms. So I am going to write cute and adorable on my paper, and then I am going to make sure I write an S because they are synonyms. They mean the same. Cute and adorable are synonyms. So I can fold it on up and put it in my bucket. And then the next synonym I thought of was, I found this chocolate, and I know that I like chocolate, so let me taste it and make sure. I thought, boy, I bet that chocolate tastes really yummy. So let me try it and find out. It's really yummy. I was right. What's another way to say yummy? How about delicious? That chocolate tastes very delicious. Yummy and delicious are synonyms. So I wrote the words. And then I wrote an S for synonym. Fold up my paper, place it in my bucket. And then when I'm done, I could even take out all my papers. You might even have more than me. I only have 4. I could take out all my papers and I could sort them into synonyms and antonyms. Yummy and delicious, are those synonyms or antonyms? Those are synonyms, same. So I could put them in one pile. And then full and empty. Are those synonyms or antonyms? Those are antonyms. They mean the opposite thing. So they would go in a separate pile. Cute and adorable Those are synonyms. Put them in my synonym pile. And off and on, those are antonyms. So I'll put them in my antonym pile. So I have a pile of antonyms and I have a pile of synonyms. I have sorted out my synonyms and antonyms. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have fun being word collectors. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you find.